सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट सर फैमिली तो सर की पूरी है अपने पास, बट सर ने बहुत सारे रेफरेंसेस।
थैंक यू सर,
बहुत रेफरेंसेस।
थैंक यू सर। रेफरेंस देना ही बड़ी बात है। रेफरेंस आदमी तभी देता है जब वो खुद खुश है।
I am very much thankful to manager of our bank. He has gifted me one pouch, and I am very much grateful to him. I want to show something to you on behalf of me by way of this video. We are the customers of this bank since last 4 years, more than 4 years, and we are having 3 accounts in this bank. It is very good accounts. What I am thinking, what they are thinking, I do not know. We are getting 3 accounts of my here, and they are getting very good results and very good services, best possible opportunities they are giving. I am proud to say that. I am proud to say that they are also the good customers of the bank, and we are also proud to say that you are also very good bankers for us. And since in these 4 years, I have observed so many things about the bank, how the customer should be maintained, that can be learned from this bank. Very true that is. Second thing is that what type of services, what type of best services can be provided by the staff to the customers, that also can be learned from the bank. Very true that is. Thirdly, the bank is giving very good returns on your investments, on your deposits. That is very important to see. We are very much learned about the banking sector because we are having good accounts in different banks. So we know what type of returns the other banks are giving. You cannot compare the returns of this bank with State Bank or National Bank. But so far as private sector bank are concerned, so far as the small finance banks are concerned, they are giving very good return according to the best returns of all the private sector banks. Just give it best. Secondly, they are giving very good return on your deposits, not only on savings bank account, but on deposits also. They are giving the best return rate of service on your deposits. So my humble request to all the customers to see in this way. Simply, they are vetted. What my opinion is that one can think about this bank if they are going to be deposit. And my best wishes to all the staffs. What I saw in these 4 years is whenever I am calling, because I am from the generation who are not knowing anything about online bankings, because I am 60 years old. So in that, the person of that generation is not knowing the next generation banking. We are knowing the bank of 30 years before. So I used to make calls, telephone calls to the bankers. I'm just asking what balance I'm having.
Glad to listen this, sir. Sorry. Really, sir. That's a great.
That is very true. I'm saying that.
So you are happy,
Yeah.
you are calm, and you are very relaxed here.
Yeah.
So that reflects. And from the last almost 5 years, you are speaking for the bank.
Yeah.
So really, sir. Services, sir. So संकेत तुम सर से रेफरेंस लेते रहना। अच्छा।
मी दिवाने साहेबांना धन्यवाद देतो, आभार व्यक्त करतो की त्यांनी मला त्या योग्य समजलं. मी कस्टमर आहे बँकेचा, किती चांगला आहे की नाही हे मला माहित नाही, पण हे सर्व्हिसेस देत राहतात, मी घेत राहतो. पण मी या बँकेत जेव्हापासून बँक सुरू झाली तेव्हापासून जुळलेलो आहे आणि मला 99% किंवा 95% समाधान आहे बँकेचं काम खूप व्यवस्थित आहे. लोक जे आहेत माझे स्नेही, बँकेचा स्टाफ, तो मला स्टाफपेक्षा तो मित्रत्वाचा किंवा बंधुभावाचा जास्त वाटतो. आणि पर्टिक्युलर हे दोघं आहेत, यांच्याकडे आपण लक्ष द्यावं, कॅमेरा यांच्याकडे करावा, यांच्याकडे करावा आणि खूप चांगली सर्व्हिसेस मिळत आहे. आणि मी मला आधी नव्हतो या बँकेला कस्टमर, पण मला यांनी बरोबर हळूहळू कॅप्चर केलं आणि मी झालो. आणि मी लोकांना एक विनंती करतो की यांनी इथे यावं. त्याचं कारण असंही आहे की या बँकेचं व्याजदर सेव्हिंगचं सर्वात जास्त आहे. हा विषय जो आहे हा विषय लोकांना कळत नाही. लोकांना तो कळावा ही माझी अपेक्षा आहे. आणि दुसरी महत्वाची गोष्ट म्हणजे या बँकेचे एफडीचे दर्जे आहेत ते सुद्धा लोकांपेक्षा जास्त आहे, म्हणजे बरंच जास्त आहे. नॅशनलाइज बँकेच्या, स्टेट बँकेच्या तुलनेमध्ये त्याची तुलना होणार.
थँक्यू सो मच सर.
मुझसे तो भी इन सबका ताल्लुक बहुत अच्छा है. All are cooperative. It's only for your knowledge what the customer says.
Sir, thank you so much.